Welcome to the ninZa.co family. Now let's get started on activating your first indicators on NT8 at ninZa.co store. Here's a simple guide to get you up and running. Firstly, please access our ninZa.co store and then navigate to your customer download zone. Secondly, download the ninZa resources and indicators zip files to your computer. Thirdly, import these files onto your NT8 platform, ensuring you prioritize importing the ninZa resources file first. Next, add ninZa resource to your chart. Look for the ninZa ID button in the top left corner. Click on it to reveal your unique ninZa ID info. Copy this ninZa ID. Then, go to the license manager in your customer zone. Enter your new computer name and paste your ninZa ID into the designated boxes. Finally, don't forget to click on the Active and Update buttons to activate your indicators. Now you can begin your trading journey with your new tools. Thank you so much for choosing ninZa.co. We're excited to support you on your trading journey as part of our ninZa.co family.